Hey, what's up everybody? It's day number 40 of my 100 Days of Code Challenge, and today I learned more about the DOM in JavaScript. DOM stands for Document Object Model, and it's a way to use JavaScript in order to access and modify HTML. So today I learned how to use the DOM to select elements by their type, by their ID, by their class, or by any other selector. And I put this into practice by modifying a list. The first thing I did was I turned all of the list items purple, and then I selected only the list items with a specific class, and then I turned those red. Then I used the nth child selector with the even parameter to give a gray background to all of the even numbered list items. And the last thing that I did was I created an input field as well as a button that lets the user specify any specific color, and when they click the button it actually changes the color of the heading to that specific color. Alright, that's it for day number 40. If you like this, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I'll catch you again tomorrow. Have a great day.